Good afternoon, students. After completing exercise 18a, we will discuss about area of polygon, and we know that there are different types of polygons having 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. sides, and we know that triangle is also kind of polygon, and similarly quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, etc. these are polygons. And in this video we will see how to calculate the area of a quadrilateral whose diagonal and perpendiculars from two opposite vertices are known. Suppose that we have a quadrilateral ABCD. And we are given one of the diagonal BD of this quadrilateral. And let us take perpendiculars from A to BD. Suppose this is AM, and this length of altitude is H1, and similarly the altitude drawn from C to BD let us take this is CN, and the length of CN is H2. Then we have to find out the area of this quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, we see that we know that the diagonal of a quadrilateral divides the quadrilateral into two triangles, and we can write area of this quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of the triangle ABD and plus area of triangle CBD. We can write area of triangle ABD and plus area of triangle CBD. And we also know that area of a triangle whose base and height is known is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. We can write the area of this triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base is BD, base of this triangle is BD, and we can write BD into height of this triangle is H1, and plus similarly BD is common base for both the triangles, and we can also write the area of this triangle BCD is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height, and we can write BD into height of this triangle is H2. And we can take 1 by 2 as common, 1 by 2 BD as common, then we can write 1 by 2 BD. If we take BD common in both the terms, we can write 1 by 2 BD into H1 plus H2, and therefore we can easily calculate the area of this quadrilateral ABCD by using this formula. Now let us take some examples. And about the unit of area, we know that unit of the area is square unit. Now let us take an example number first of your textbook. A quadrilateral is given ABCD. And the diagonal of the quadrilateral is also given. And the perpendiculars drawn from A and C is given as 6 centimeter and CM is 8 centimeter, and the diagonal is given as 14 centimeter. BD is equal to, we can write, given that BD is equal to 14 centimeter, AL is equal to 6 centimeter, and CM is equal to 8 centimeter. Now area of this quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, we can write 1 by 2 into diagonal, one of the diagonal which is given, we can write BD into AL plus CM, because these are heights of both triangles, triangle ABD and triangle CBD. The height of triangle ABD is 6 centimeter and the height of triangle BCD is 8 centimeter. Then we can write here AL plus CM. Now by putting the values 1 by 2 into BD is 14 and AL is 6 centimeter and CM is 8 centimeter, and we can cancel 14 by 2. We have 7 into 6 plus 8, 14. Now 14 7 ja 98 centimeter square. This is the area of the this quadrilateral ABCD. Now you can easily calculate the area of quadrilateral by using this formula. After this, how to find out the area of any irregular polygon? It means and we understand this with the help of an example, and which is example number 2. And in this example we are given a pentagon ABCDE in which different sides and different heights are also given. Then let us draw the figure of the pentagon ABCDE. A, B, C, D, E, and BF is the perpendicular drawn from B BF is the perpendicular drawn from B to AD, and CH is the perpendicular drawn from C to AD, and EG is the perpendicular drawn from E to the diagonal AD. Now we are given the different sides, different altitudes, which is given as AF is equal to 9 centimeter, AF is equal to 9 centimeter, and AG is equal to 13, AG is equal to 13 centimeter, AH is equal to 19, AH is equal to 19 centimeter, and AD is equal to 24 centimeter, AD is equal to 24 centimeter, and also AF is 9 centimeter, AG 13 centimeter, AH is equal to 19 centimeter, and BF 6, BF is equal to 6 centimeter, CH is equal to 8 centimeter, and EG is equal to 9, EG is equal to 9 centimeter. Now we see that we have to find out the area of this pentagon, and we can write area of the pentagon ABCDE is equal to 1 by 2 into we can write area of this pentagon is equal to area of triangle AFB, area of triangle AFB, this triangle, and similarly plus area of trapezium. This is trapezium because these are parallel sides, and one pair of this BCHF, area of BCHF plus area of this triangle CHD plus area of triangle CHD, and plus now in the lower portion area of triangle AGE, area of triangle AGE, and plus area of this triangle EGD, triangle EGD. Now putting the values, we have area of triangle AFB. We know AF and BF. We can write 1 by 2 into AF into BF plus similarly area of trapezium BCHF, we can write 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides, and parallel sides are BF and CH. Parallel sides of this trapezium are BF and CH. We can write BF plus CH. We can write here BF plus CH. And into the distance between them, we see that this is the distance between them. It means FH is the distance between these parallel sides. FH. And yes, your name. Okay, 1 by 2 into BF plus CH into FH. This is the area of the trapezium BCHF. And for area of triangle CHD, we see that CHD, this is the base and this is the height. We can write 1 by 2 into HD into CH plus 1 by 2 into HD into CH, HD into CH. And area of triangle AGE, we can write 1 by 2 into AG into EG plus 1 by 2 into AG into EG, and plus the last triangle, area of EGD, area of triangle EGD, we can write 1 by 2 into GD is the base and EG is the height. We can write GD into EG. And by putting the values, this is equal to 1 by 2 into AF is 9 and BF is 6 and plus 1 by 2 BF plus CH. BF is 6 and plus CH is 8, and the distance between them, it means FG. We can write FG as, we see that, we have to write here FH, and we have AH is 19 from A to H, the length is 19, and from A to G this is 13. We can write 19 minus 13, it means 6. 19 minus, we have to write FH, and AH is 19, and AF is 9. Yes, then 19 minus 9, it will be 19 minus 9. It means this is 19 minus 9. This is the area of the trapezium BCHF. And after this, plus 1 by 2 HD is AD minus AH. we can write AD minus AH. AD is 24, AD is 24 and AH is 19. Then 24 minus 19. 24 minus 19. We can write here 24 minus 19 HD and CH. CH is 8 into 8 and plus 1 by 2 AG. AG is 13 into 13 and into EG. EG is 9 into 9. Here 1 by 2 AG. AG is AG is 13 and EG is 9. And plus area of triangle, this EGD, 1 by 2 GD, 1 by 2 into GD. GD is not given and we can calculate GD from here. GD AD is 24, AD is 24 and we have to find out GD. Then if we subtract AG from AD we get GD. 24 minus 13. 24 minus 13 is 11. We can write here 1 by 2 into 11 and into EG. EG is known. EG is 9 and this is 9. Now we can write 2 3 is 6 and 9 3 is 27. This is 27 and plus here 1 by 2 into 8 6 14 into 19 minus 9 10 and 2 7 is 14 and plus 1 by 2 into 24 minus 19 is 5 and into 8 and plus 1 by 2 we can take common 1 by 2 from here. Then we can write 1 by 2 into 13 9 is 117 and plus 11 9 is 99 and here we can write 27 plus 10 7 is 70 and plus 2 4 is 8 4 5 is 20 and plus 1 by 2 into 117 and plus 99 we have 6 1 and 2 216 by adding. Now by simplifying 108. Now we have to add all these numbers. 70 plus 20 90 90 and 27 117 and plus 108 we have 5 2 and 2. Therefore area of this pentagon ABCDE is 225 centimeter square. Now try to solve other examples, and we will solve some more examples from this chapter, and after this we will start exercise 18b. Okay, thank you students.